Just going to the end of those trees. I'm Sherry Blair. I'm the Maumee AOC coordinator for Ohio EPA. We're out at the Penn 7 site, one of the restoration projects for the Maumee AOC. This is the Maumee River here. This is a 50-acre parcel, and it received dredge material from the Maumee River that the Port Authority removed from the navigation channel in order to keep the shipping port open and operational. This project was originally investigated as a feasibility study just to make sure there wasn't any contamination here. We didn't want to bring wildlife and potentially people into an area where there was known contamination. After that feasibility, we determined that the site was safe. We hope to have an improved wildlife habitat here, improved wetland habitat, some upland areas, as well as on the far south side of the property, we'll be creating some fisheries nursery area.
About 10 years ago, local partners got together and identified this as a site that could be restored to improve fish and wildlife habitat. Coordinated with the federal government, with NOAA, to apply Great Lakes Restoration Initiative dollars to restoring the site.
We always should be looking for ways to promote healthier systems for our waterways. Only, and then it kind of grew into more.
Being an old confined disposal facility filled with dredge material that's typically saturated, so getting in here and doing the contouring work, installing cofferdams and pumping all the water out should have been more challenging actually than what it was. It's really a team effort to take all the project partners' input into the design process, learning what you found out in the feasibility, gaining some more data, and then using that information to develop a restoration that will fit this site specifically.
And now you can see it's more open, it's healthier, more heterogeneity, more desirable species, avian, mammalian, and the fisheries can all use this property now.
The design of the project includes water control structures, and this will allow the City of Toledo to manage the site actively if they choose to. If situations arise where being able to control the water would be advantageous. Most prominent one is likely if there's an invasive species that could be controlled by bringing the water level up for a period of time or down.
By installing this dike, while not actually a very natural feature, it did create an area where there's slower slackwater wetland habitat.
The Maumee River Basin is a critical habitat area for a number of fish species, particularly for their early life stage. So this is going to provide that habitat, that nursery and early life stage habitat for those species, and then they'll travel throughout the Great Lakes.
A project like this, where this site just sat here for years and really had nothing going on with it, most of the neighbors were happy to see that something was being done with it, would like the city to stay engaged.
The louder citizens can be in fighting for Great Lakes restoration funding, the louder citizens can be in celebrating successes like this.
It's a wonderful site, and it's going to be this great little natural oasis in the middle of the city of Toledo, near the mouth of the Maumee River within the Maumee AOC.